We are excited to share that this new children's book is now available at the new library in West Deptford, New Jersey. The story follows a cute little rescue dog named Cheese and his quirky adventures. The book was written by West Deptford native Tess Fox, who sadly passed away last year. Her mother, Judi, has been working diligently to bring Tess's story to life and see it published. If you'd like to purchase a copy, it is available at mascotbix.com, Barnes & Noble, or for pre-order on Amazon.